So next we're going to be replacing and refreshing all the bearings in this linkage kit. Again, from All Balls. Again, bought locally from AEO Power Sports. So let's just see what we have here. Tons of different pieces here. I don't want to lose anything. So we have some seals, washers, actual bearings. 4 of them there. Oops. Dropped a bearing. This looks like it's for the shock. Let's organize all this together and make sense of it all. When you open this container and all of these pieces come out, it's very intimidating at first to try to understand where all of it goes. But a simple look at the service manual diagram, you could see here that each of these sections in the linkage bearing, or in this linkage unit, will have a bearing, a seal on each end, and a collar on each end. And it's duplicated here with this, with the second, with the second bearing. And then on this side, which is where basically the dog bone, there's 2 bearings, oil seals in between, collar that goes in the middle, another set of these to go on the other side, and these pieces are for the shock. So all in all, not too intimidating after you break it all down. Maybe it's hard to see because of the black background. But I'm going to go ahead and press these bearings in with my Tusk linkage bearing tool. Easy peasy. The Tusk tool definitely is worth the money, made it simple to do, and would recommend it to anybody. Here's the rear swing arm of the YZ250. It was professionally powder coated, again by Candelo Customs. And today I'm going to put some new swing arm bearings on this swing arm to get it ready for the build. Okay, so here are the bearing parts. Bearings, washers, seals, and all the things necessary to rebuild our crank. So I'm going to go ahead and do this on the ground over here, probably off camera. I'll show you the finished product after, and I'll also link the videos that I use to help me. I kind of have it set up. This is the inside, and then this would be the outside. So there are 2 bearings, seal on this side. This obviously goes through it. And then you would have washers, and then the seal. And obviously the little collar that goes right through the bearings. Cool. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you gave me a like. If you are new to the channel and you would like to keep up with this build, go ahead and subscribe. If this is the first video of the series that you've seen, I have a playlist where I've documented this whole build from start to finish. So go ahead and check that out in the playlist link below. We'll see you on the next project.